I see with the
It's about to get
only this Bob can bring me.
Please, can we go? I want to go and sleep. What is so?
Guys, thank God from me all the way from Dubai. Then she went to Abuja.
All the way from Dubai!
And I came back again to Lagos.
I love you. Thank you so much.
I love you.
I have the best friends ever. I thank you.
Yes. Mom, see, let me tell you, anybody that wants to sign you must meet me. Your price has gone up. Nothing like this, nothing like go come. I'm not going to agree for anybody. Yes, baby.
Look at my Moyo. Oh, Moyo, you're so pretty. Moyo, thank you so much. I'm choking.
Orobo.
Moyo, thank you so much.
Orobo!
Thank you.
It's only you that will go and come back, Orobo.
See,
It's only you that can bring me from Dubai.
Let me talk
Only
to
you.
Moyo.
You can
Moyo, thank you so much.
Oh, please, I beg, leave all that one from video.
I love you, my baby.
Moyo, thank you for standing by.
Hey, Antoniola.
Thank you guys so much. Moyo, yeah.
Omo gidi Moyo.
You are Percy.
Omo gidi
Like
Moyo.
Percy.
Okay, so we've been here since 8. Can we go now? Hey! Abio.
Yeah?
This one, why is this one so clear? So you like this one? Now you're shining teeth.
Hey guys, Lagos is no longer motherless. Bobrisky is back and was well received by her friends. Say what you like about Bob, but she has amazing friends.
Guess who's out?
They ensured Bob left the cell looking fresh.
Okay, mommy, wait for me, my Eshoma. Straight. Mo, I don't tell my but my son mo from you what's up.
Bob, you're going to come to Dubai. You're going to come to Dubai immediately. Just do your passport.
A special shout out to Bobrisky's friends. They are simply amazing. From going to pick him up to ensuring he had a great time by taking him for a yacht party. I mean, it's such a big deal. That was very thoughtful of them, because initially I was scared. I was like, oh my god, I don't want pictures of Bobrisky leaving the confinement. Like, I didn't want those pictures to go viral, but thankfully his friends rose up to the occasion, went to pick him up, ensured his makeup artist got him glammed up before he met and spoke to the press. So, like I said, the yacht party was dope. His friends danced and celebrated his return. One thing for sure is the what's this lady's name? Eniola Alawo. You can tell she's not, I don't know. I feel she just had to follow Bob around for a moment, because it was actually her movie premiere that kind of indicted him. So I love that she tried, even though you can tell that this is not her kind of vibe, but she tried for following up. I actually missed Mommy of Lagos so much. We have Moyo Lawa up here. Like I said, I missed Bobrisky so much while he was away, and I am so happy that he is back. In Bobrisky's voice, oh shit, baddest. Guys, Bobrisky can dance, so.
Okay,
We have Bob and her girls. So So I'd like to know, did you miss Bob when he was away? If you missed Bob, I would like to know what you missed about him. The person beside Bob is Lady Golfer. Lady Golfer owns Calabar Aroma Kitchen, and by the other side is Nollywood actress Moyo Lawal. The guys wearing life jackets are actually the pressmen on board. Oh my god, this is so funny, to be very honest. So for those of you who don't know what this is all about, a few months ago, BOBRISKY was jailed for 6 months after he pleaded guilty for mutilating the naira. He attended a party and he was seen dispensing money, and according to them, he stepped on it. So when he was charged to court, he pleaded guilty, and of course, he was jailed for 6 months. He stayed for 3 months, but I learned in jail they count it like morning and night. So he officially, like 3 months, if we're counting with the normal calendar, he spent 3 months in jail, and he was supposed to be released last week, but it got shifted. It was supposed to be, they told us it would be on a Wednesday, and before we knew what was happening, he was released on Monday, and of course to the waiting arms of his really good friends who stood by him through his ordeal in Kirikiri confinement. So after he was released, they took him to a hotel, they actually had lunch, and then they got on a yacht where they partied, celebrating his release. And the lady in white, Lady Golfer, she owns Calabar Aroma Kitchen. She flew in from Dubai a day before to make sure she was right in the within the prison premises to receive BOBRISKY the moment he got released. And it feels so good. I mean, we all deserve love. A lot of people have argued that they are enabling him, but if you see BOBRISKY's old pictures, videos, you can tell he has always loved cross-dressing. So I don't think it's just he became famous by chance. I don't think he cut out to be famous. That wasn't his plan, but then it is what it is. But I'm just excited that he still has people that love him fiercely around him. His release was widely celebrated across social media because, trust me, we all missed him badly. Well, I am just assuming these people had live divers on board this yacht because you can see that none of them had their life jackets on. BOBRISKY, popularly known as Mommy of Lagos, is truly back. I will not forget, in the past, BOBRISKY used to have this security man known as Jacob. Jacob, open the gate. Jacob, come and do this for me. And he later fell out with Jacob. Until this day, I don't know what happened. No be man voice at the ear for background. Be going, we are watching. Yeah.
Hey, Bo. Hey, Bubble. Hey, Bubble. Girlfriend, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for everything. I've been seeing your messages. I've been go for her. Yeah, go for her.
Once I love person, I love person.
I love see guys. See, Gopher came through for me. And my Moyo baby. Look at my sweetheart. Look at my baby.
Let's start.
So we need to party. We need to party. I'm super excited.
Yes, really.
Look at my boyo. Thank you so much. God bless you.
I
Thank
see
you.
with the oh my god.
Darling, it's about to get
Only this Bob can bring me.
Please, can we go? I want to go and sleep. Oh, this soon.
Guys, thank God from me. Guys, thank God from me all the way from Dubai. Then she went to Abuja.
All the way from Dubai.
And I came back again to Lagos.
Oh to God. I love you. Thank you so much.
I love you. Anything
I
you
have the best friends ever. I take it and thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. So chubby. Look at her. Mom, let me tell you, anybody that wants to sign you must meet me. Your price has gone up. Nothing like this, nothing like go come. I not go agree for anybody. Nobody is even giving us. Nigerian internet will not let us have peace.
Who told the Nigerian internet?
Yes, you guys internet, I don't understand.
What is Nigerian internet? You look with her.
No, your baby is inside.
Okay.
Hello, ma. Hello, ma.
Let's go, guys. Food. The door is not locked, oh. Bob, close the door well. Bob, close the door well. And please, know that there is a convoy behind you, so you have to take it easy when driving. Guys, we are going to. Let's go. Where's the driver? Boyo. Guys, Bob is out. Bob is officially out. So, we'll see you guys.
Okay, Bobrisky is known for his or her many catchphrases. You would notice that sometimes I use the pronoun him or she for Bob because Bob has always said he can be referred as a female or male, whichever one pleases you. So like I was saying, Bob is known for his catchphrases. Which of Bob's catchphrases is your favorite? Bob has something like for me it's good girl no dey pay oh, good girl no dey pay oh, hope you know that. And another one is when people ask you what's your secret, tell them na God oh, big girl small God, I be big small girl big God. And then another of his catchphrases that I like is oh shit Paris. And then another one I like is in fact he has so many catchphrases. I love many of his catchphrases. I'm trying to remember another one that I love so much. There's another one he used to say, who is a cloud chaser? A cloud chaser. Bob is actually very funny, to be very honest, but I don't know why a lot of people can't stand him. So tell me, are you a fan of Bobrisky? Are you indifferent about him, or you can't stand him at all? Let me know in the comment section.
Guess who's back?
We came with a nice party.